I'm standing in front of beautiful St. James Church, built in 1906, finished in 1912. The bell tower behind me had a beautiful bell placed in the top of it that was manually rung for decades. Nowadays, these bells are rung with an electric mechanism. There have been numerous ones over the generations. The current one we've been using for the last 2.5 decades has now finally failed and needs replacement. The bells that are rung regularly toll all through and can be heard all through this historic neighborhood. They announce the beginning of Mass, they ring at special occasions, and they ring for the Angelus at noon and at 6 p.m. We would love to restore these bells by restoring the modern electric equipment to make them operate and give their beautiful sound for many decades to come. I hope you can help us if I Give Catholic to make these bells a reality for the Highlands neighborhood.